Hey friends, welcome back. Hey, if you have not seen part 1 of the videos for the RV lock install, I'm going to link it up above here, also down below in the comments. Go check that out. We walked through the RV lock fit guide on how to measure the door to make sure that there's a model of the RV lock that will fit for your motorhome. And it's very important to go through that. You don't want to order this thing and then realize that it's not going to work for your camper. So again, go check out part 1 of the video where we do that fit guide. Also, at the end of that video, yes, I did lock myself out of the motorhome. Shut the door. It was locked. I couldn't get back in. Luckily, I keep a step ladder in one of my storage bins underneath the camper. And the passenger window was unlocked and opened a little bit. So I was able to slide that window open, get the step ladder over there, climb back into the motorhome, and no harm, no foul, right? But that's a great use case for the RV lock handle. It's a heavy guy, but it came. I ordered it. I got the RV lock here. One interesting thing that I noticed, they give you an envelope, big envelope. Not sure why it's so big, because the actual user manual is just a little guy. But I was looking through this and I noticed the very first step on this is to always leave a window unlocked until you have completed the installation. Do not close the door until complete. If the door is closed before completing installation, you will lock yourself out and a key will not be able to get you access to your rig. So, could have used that warning last time I was here. Let's see if we can get this installed and get it working. First though, I'm going to unlock my window. Important thing, lockout warning. Make sure you have a window open. I learned that the hard way. So we're going to remove the old handle here. There we go. Got it. Old handle. And we're going to install the outside part, connect the wires, install the inside part. Put this outside part in. There we go.
Okay.
Interior lock plugs in right here. So welcome to RV lock. Now I have to get this knob turned to match up. That. Can you hold that? Having an extra set of hands is helpful because you got to hold these two pieces together to get this, at least get the first screw in. Here we go. Okay, now to program, hold the reset and then follow the prompt. A 2 to 8 digit code.
Enter new code, then press lock.
Enter new code.
Enter new code, then press lock.
Twice.
New code accepted.
All right. So let's see. Lock. Deadbolt came out. Code. Unlocked. And on the inside, lock. Locked. And unlocked. Okay, so we got a keyless pad. There's also a fob that we need to program. Let me grab the fob real quick. Let's see.
Connect your remote. Remote connected.
Remote connected. So lock and unlock. Fail safe, because there is still the old-fashioned way to lock and unlock. So when all else fails, keep a key handy. So that's it. Easy to install. I think I like it.
Yep.
All right. So installation is done. Got these key fobs that I can lock and unlock the door. Keypad, number keypad. It's pretty slick. I gotta say, I think I like it. The next step in the instructions, plug it in and let the battery charge. There's a lithium battery inside the handle. There's a charging port, conveniently enough, charging port on both the inside as well as the outside. So if your battery's dead and you can't get in, you can at least plug in a charging cable to the handle from the outside with a little portable charging brick and charge it back up to get you inside. So the last step in the little instruction booklet is to plug it in, let it charge. I'm leaving, so I'm not going to do that here just yet. I'm going to leave it like it is. It should be fairly well charged. They say that it comes fully charged out of the box. It's working fine. It's slick, man. It works great. It locks easy. I can lock or unlock with the key fob or just by hitting a button on the keypad out there. I dig it.